Welcome to How to Create a Sourcing Event. We start in our Coupa page with a Sourcing tab, which defaults to our Events subtab, which takes us to our Sourcing Manager page. Here you can see that there are alerts, which will give you the most recent sourcing events you've created or that you're watching, and down at the bottom it will actually list out all of the current and ongoing and past events, not only of yours, but also of everyone else in the company. This is a way for you to review other people's sourcing events and see if there is maybe questionnaires that exist or suppliers that you don't know of, or maybe even pricing structures for you to use as your base price. So how we start by creating an event is we select the Create an Event button. There are three ways to create an event. The first is Create New. In this section, if I select a type of event to create, the system will create an event for me that is blank. It has nothing pre-filled out and basically a fresh start for me to build an event from scratch. As you can see, there's no pre-additional loaded information here. The second way for me to create an event is for me to use a template. In this particular one, I'm going to select the FF&E sourcing event template, and the template basically fills out specific stagnant information for that particular commodity. In this case, as you can see, there's notes to participate that are added in the template. The commodity is pre-selected. In some cases, you may even have suppliers that are pre-selected or terms and conditions. So a template is a good way for you to include national account information on your sourcing events without having to fill out the same information over and over again. The third way to complete or start a sourcing event is to select Create Event, go all the way to the right, and you'll see it says Copy Event. In this particular case, I can search old events based on keyword, event number, even property number if that's in the name. I can find the event that I'd like to maybe take information from or use as a base for building my new event. I will select said event and hit create, and the system basically takes that old event, copies all the information including items, suppliers into my new event. As you can see, there's a terms and conditions added here. There's also name, commodity, even so far as if I go to the details page, I'll see that there are questionnaires added already, as well as items. So those are the three ways you can create a sourcing event.